we need to think a little beyond Israel and America in building a global alliance for Israel and for America. Because at the UN, it is votes which count.
That's right.
And Africa is basically neglected. However, the Soros you're talking about are organizing out there on college campuses. Just a few days ago, we had the issue of Ocasio-Cortez's Green Deal.
Yep.
We had a march out there in Nairobi at the campus, but I've never heard anyone talking about conservative ideals in Africa and on college grounds.
This is Soros.
So we need to get out there and build an alliance for Israel beyond the US and beyond Israel.
I totally agree.